steel right there.
Yeah.
That's steel?
Yep.
Man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
From Rhode Island.
Alright, got it.
THF.
There we go, there you go. I don't see, this is a lot of fab work you've done on this.
Yeah.
Is this like resin? How thick is that?
That's fiberglass.
Fiberglass? Oh.
A lot of it. And then epoxy over it.
Yeah. Wow. That's a thick piece of steel right there.
Yeah.
That's steel?
Yep.
Man. That's crazy. Horns only. Holy crap, this is deep. This is cool. So was these 18s or 15s?
18.
What size are they and how much power?
So it's 6 DD 9918s on 6 dynamic audio 4Ks.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Hope you're enjoying the video so far with some crazy outside door flex already, breaking everything. He's already got fabricated door reinforcements, so you can see there. But anyway, go ahead and comment and let Sam know what you think about his system. Shout out to you, man, if you're watching as well. I really like your overall system. With the amount of bass pressure you got going on, you've got so much fab work to make this system as loud as it can. You've done a great job, and I really like the demo I'm about to show everybody. So give him a thumbs up as well if you haven't. And I got a comment to say about his enclosure. So I really like also the viewing that you have here on the left side of the enclosure. You actually have a thick, probably 1 or 1.5 inch thick plexiglass viewing to where you can see the motor's subwoofer flex, as well as in the back with the amount of power he has. A single 4,000 watt amplifier on each of these 6 18-inch subwoofers. The 99 series from DD Audio Digital Designs. So really powerful amplifiers he has back here. And he even has a bonus extra subwoofer in case he has any sub issues back here. And all of his electrical wiring and an insane amount of lithium on the right there. So I didn't get a lot of spec information, but I did get a full demo. So I hope y'all enjoying that. We're about to get to it. So shout out to you. This is at the Ruckus and Chill Show in 2021, Fayetteville, North Carolina. So I like to always mention what show it is. And I hope y'all enjoy checking out the description for all details about the system. So let's get to the bass demo. In a 6th order. Thank you for the demo. Wow. I don't see, this is a lot of fab work you've done on this.
Yeah.
Is this like resin? How thick is that?
That's fiberglass.
Fiberglass? Oh.
A lot of it. Yeah. And then epoxy over it.
Yeah. Wow. That's a thick piece of steel right there.
Yeah.
That's steel?
Yep.
Man. That's crazy. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.